The 2026 Caterpillar D1 is finally here, and today you're about to see why this compact beast is making shockwaves across construction sites worldwide. From its redesigned powertrain to its unbelievable precision control, this machine proves that even the smallest dozer in the CAT lineup can dominate with confidence. So buckle up, because what you're about to discover might just change the way you look at compact bulldozers forever. Let's dive right into the heart of this machine, starting with the new power boost Caterpillar engineered for the D1. Under its rugged exterior sits a refined, fuel-efficient engine that delivers smoother push power than any previous D1 model, giving operators the torque they need while cutting fuel burn dramatically. It's all about doing more with less, more pushing, more productivity, more reliability, while using less fuel and less maintenance time. Caterpillar's engineers focused heavily on emissions too, making the 2026 D1 cleaner, quieter, and fully compliant with the strictest global standards. Pair that with the upgraded cooling system and you've got a machine designed to work long hours, even in extreme heat, without losing an ounce of performance. But what really makes the 2026 D1 shine is its operator experience. Caterpillar completely overhauled the interior to make it feel more like a premium workspace than the cab of a compact dozer. Once you step inside, you're hit with an ultra-clear touchscreen display, redesigned joysticks with improved sensitivity, and a seating position that gives you the perfect sightline to the blade. The controls react instantly, no delay, no hesitation, giving operators the kind of command that makes finishing and grading easier than ever. But here's where things get next level. The 2026 D1 now packs CAT's newest grade control tech, giving operators automated blade movements that help achieve laser-accurate surfaces without extra passes. Even beginners can produce pro-level results thanks to simple mode switching that adjusts the dozer's responsiveness depending on the job. Whether you're cutting, spreading, or grading, the machine practically reads your mind. Speaking of precision, the widened blade visibility on the new D1 is no small improvement. Caterpillar shaved down sections of the hood and re-engineered the blade frame so the operator can see more of the cutting edge, reducing guesswork and speeding up fine grading jobs. Add in the smoother hydrostatic transmission and you get a machine that feels more fluid than anything else in its class. And let's not forget durability, because Caterpillar didn't. The D1's undercarriage has been strengthened against the kind of daily abuse small dozers face on rugged sites. Impact-resistant rollers, tighter sealing systems, and reinforced track components all work together to extend life expectancy while reducing the downtime that frustrates operators and slows projects. It's the kind of durability that saves thousands in the long run. When it comes to versatility, this is where the D1 truly shines as a job site champion. Need to work in tight urban spaces? The compact frame slips through narrow access points with ease. Need to handle large grading pads? Its upgraded powertrain and refined blade allow it to work like a bigger machine, punching above its size class. Need precision for landscaping or agriculture? The new grade assist modes make finishing work smooth, fast, and repeatable. From construction to farming, from roadwork to residential projects, the 2026 D1 adapts effortlessly. Caterpillar also made serviceability simpler than ever. Everything from filters to major inspection points is accessible from ground level, and the new onboard diagnostics system lets operators get real-time machine health alerts right from the display. Less guesswork, fewer surprises, and more uptime. That's the kind of efficiency crews appreciate when deadlines get tight. But the real excitement around the 2026 Caterpillar D1 isn't just about stats or features, it's about how it feels in action. Operators are calling it smoother, smarter, and surprisingly powerful for its size. Videos of this machine pushing heavy loads with incredible control are already going viral across the construction world. The D1 proves that you don't need a massive dozer to get massive results. You just need the right engineering. And Caterpillar delivered. Whether you're operating it, supervising it, or simply watching it work, the precision of this machine is mesmerizing. Every move feels intentional, every adjustment feels intelligent, and every push feels stronger than you expect from a dozer this compact. The 2026 D1 represents a new chapter for small dozers, a chapter where technology meets toughness, where efficiency meets strength, and where compact size no longer means compromise. And that's why this machine is getting attention not just from construction veterans, but from equipment fans everywhere. The future of small dozers is here, and it's wearing cat yellow. So if you're looking for a bulldozer that brings power, accuracy, low fuel burn, operator comfort, and rock-solid durability all in one compact package, the 2026 Caterpillar D1 is the one to watch. And judging by the early reactions across the industry, it's clear this machine isn't just another update, it's a game changer. Stick around, because we've got more heavy equipment reviews, breakdowns, and real-world tests coming soon. And if you want to see this dozer in action, stay tuned for our full performance test where the 2026 D1 goes head-to-head with the challenges of a real job site. Trust me, you don't want to miss what this little powerhouse can do.